Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to open my recent order from Salty Katie. If you don't know who she is, you really need to get on Instagram and follow her. She makes beautiful traveler's notebooks and other planner accessories. I think she does stickers, die cuts. I think she may even do ringed planners if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, I will leave a link to her information down below. That way, if you are interested, you can definitely check her out. Now, I've been following Salty Katie for a while now, and I really want to buy one of her traveler's notebooks. However, as you all know, I have way more traveler's notebooks than I need right now, but that doesn't mean that I don't have a plan to buy one of her notebooks in the future. But what I ordered recently was, I think they're called jellies. I think that's what it's called. I'm not quite sure. You know, we'll open it together. But if you've been on Instagram for any length of time, you know that kind of the new popular thing right now is like these plastic vinyl jelly like dashboards, inserts, and notebooks. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All I did was cut the envelope so I wouldn't be struggling with it. I wouldn't be struggling with it on camera, and I already see that I am going to love this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is way more beautiful in person than I expected it to be. And how cute. I guess this is a cute little, maybe a freebie in here. Oh, how sweet. Okay. So I'll open this later, but right now I am in awe of this notebook. So I ordered what is called a jelly traveler's notebook. And wow, you guys, this is so cute. It's kind of like a black holographic design, and I will try and get a close-up without the glare as best I can for you. And I really, really like this. Now, my only concern is because it is kind of, you know, thin and kind of floppy. I'm wondering if it will hold its shape. But this is so pretty, you guys. And then what I got to go with it was a clear holographic jelly dashboard. So you basically just fold this in half and you stick it in, and it's a dashboard. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in here or if I'm going to put that in a different notebook. But wow. And then it's got a reinforced spine. I hope you can see that. And then it's got black elastic closure. And then the inside doesn't have the same design. And then you've got 4 elastic bands here. So I am really, really happy with this. It's very well made. The stitching looks awesome from what I can tell so far. And I want to say this is probably a 1.5 inch spine, I think. So I don't even know what I'm going to use this for, but this is way prettier than I expected it to be. So, oh, and how cute. She's got her, let me see if that will focus. There we go. She's got her little logo. Feels like a vinyl holographic sticker right there. So that is the notebook. Like I said, I hope that this will be sturdy enough, you know, to hold the inserts. And then again, this is the dashboard that I ordered to go with it. But now I'm not sure if I'm going to use them together. So let's open up the cute little freebie that she sent. Or I don't know, maybe this is a, maybe it's my receipt or something. Oh, this is really cute. Hey Planner Beauty, thank you for your order. And in case no one told you today, nice butt. XO Kate. Very, very cute. I'll definitely throw that in my notebook. So there you go. And again, if you are not familiar with Salty Katie, I will link her information down below. Oh, here we go. You can find her on Instagram and Facebook, and then her website is there too. Okay, so there you go, friends. If you have not checked out her shop, I highly recommend you do. Everything I've seen, like even, you know, notebooks that other people have posted on Instagram, I mean, I've never seen anyone complain about the quality of her work. And from what I can tell, her stuff is just amazing. So, like I said, it's only a matter of time before I order one of her leather TNs, because she does have some beautiful, beautiful options. Okay, everyone, again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. And if you'd like to see other content that I share, make sure you check out my blog. I'll leave a link to that down below as well. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.